Hello, Travelweek readers. On behalf of Bahia Principe Hotels and Resorts, our sincerest gratitude for your support. In this difficult time, we must stay positive and look forward to the future. Now is the time to focus on each other and for the common good. We're still dedicated in servicing our clients with unforgettable experiences. By going online to the official Facebook page, Bahia Principe Hotels and Resorts, you'll see live daily activities from some of your favorite destinations. In addition, later on this year, you can look forward to a renovated Bahia Principe Grand Tulum in Riviera Maya, Mexico. Please remember, we're here for you now and will be once this is all over. Again, thank you.
I've been running all my days, and all my troubles have found a better way. And I've been trying to clear my head of all the useless words I never said.